Alright. Hello guys, welcome back. It's our favorite chef Derek, ready to present to you. I want to show you how to make a coco melon cake. So we are making coco melon. You need blue, you need light green and dark green, and you need rainbow. So I have prepared my bars, my rainbow already. I have prepared them. So these are the things you want when you start making a coco melon. That's my rainbow, my bars, and I have prepared the edible print for the family. So this is the edible print for the family of the coco melon family. So let's get started. First thing is my cake is here. It's ready, crumb coated and ready to cover. Now let's take my blue color. Just get a good bunch of the blue color when covering the cake. Just need a blue color. First soften it. I take this cake aside. Get my corn flour. Just soften the cake. Now my fondant is almost ready to roll. Get the rolling pin. Start. Make sure you roll a circle. Just roll a circle. Not thick and not thin. Not thick. This one, it's enough for me because my fondant, I know it's stretchy, so this one will be enough to cover the cake. So I'm rolling it. I take my cake and I place from this side. Just smoothing the cake. Just unfold the fondant and you push it down. Remember, fondant needs speed because babu inakauka. It needs speed because it dries. So that's how you do. You unfold, then you just press it to the cake. That's my hand. It's okay. And the next thing is smoother. Just pushing the fondant down neatly. Just that way. And I need my pizza cutter, just round to remove the fondant, like that. Then I need to make a sharp corners, so I need a board. I turn my cake like that, then remove this one, then I push the fondant down to make sharp corners. Apply royal icing to my board, then I turn it. As you can see, you'll get a sharp corner. Very smart. Make sure your cake is at the center. Press it down. That. And you remove this one. Cake. This one. Done. the top cake, which is 6-inch. Now I'm softening the lime green. Soften the lime green. And I'm ready to roll it. Make sure it has a little CMC. Wait till dry. So it's just rolling it around, not at all. So just have to be careful when covering along the tall cake. Make sure your fondant is best and good recipe. Just have to smoothen it downwards. So you make a sharp corners. So make sure when you are covering the top part, it has a board it has a board. This board helps to reduce pressure in other cake. So this one I'm turning there and just making it so I want it so straight. So that's what it is. And we are good. And that's our topper cake. So the next thing is stacking the cake on top of the other one. Put the cake aside. Now here is where you need dowels. So you need to take a cake and put some dowels here to reduce the pressure of the cake. So me, most I don't use dowels. I always use skewers. So I'll just measure just like that. You know, I need just mark where I should cut it. And using this, I will just reduce and put it inside there like that. So another one, I just use 4, they're enough. $4 is enough for me. Just 4. I just need butter and just apply on top, just a little butter, kidogo too. Just apply on top. And then remember the top cake tumesema iko na board chini. So I'll just move it gently. Hold it. Make sure it's at the center of the cake. So mine is bending on one side, so I just have to play with it until it comes to the center. Just like that. It is at the center right now. You can see it at the center. And no pressure on the other cake. You can see I'm pressing this cake. I'm pressing this cake and no pressure. So this cake will remain the same shape and not deforming. So to strengthen it, the cake, you should just use 2 skewers or 3 from top to the bottom, just to strengthen the cake. Yes, naigongelea kwa sababu inadunga board, so just have to push it. Next is covering the board. So my cake is okay now. So next is covering the board, and I need white. I need white for the board. So I showed you how to cover the board. When you have placed your cake, just do the round fondant. Then just subtract and just around. Just around. Cut it at the center. Apply water on your board. put them out on a board. Then we just lift this, just place it half on one cake and half on the other side. Then we pick another half, just start from here to the other side. Make sure it joins very nicely. Then to the other side. So here, just cut it. Join it to the one, and just cut it. That's how you do it. Now, I need dark green to do the strips. First dark green, so take the green. Now we are making strips to the top part of the cake. You need almost six strips. So I have used dark green. You don't need thick, just need. So I'm making strips. Yes, so mine is ready. I just need to make a straight strips using this. And this makes my work easier. And this one's enough. So I just love to know where is my front of my cake, and I draw a top. Just draw a straight line. Across one. Then I crisscross. Just like that. I just have to pick this. Just place it on top. Make sure it's straight down. The other side the same. That's what you do. Then I remove this, just cut them. So you need a ribbon to cover it down. So apply water. Just like that. So you need dark green and light green. Then you just coil them around. Then you just put them at the bottom. So just cut them where they are ending. Just end them like that. And we continue. I've steamed my cake so that I can stick. Now this is my front part. So the front part is where now I will use my rainbow. Now there's where I place my rainbow, just like that. It will stick to very well. And I use my royal icing to stick the bus there. I'm sticking the bus number 1, and I'm sticking clouds. We have some clouds here. Then I apply water here to stick the name. I see some lines here. So I'm cover the line using the royal icing. So it's happy birthday, Jason's not happy. So I always start from here. Going backwards. There we go. We have sticks our name very nicely. Use some stars to make it colorful. Stick the stars random. Stick them random. Don't need to arrange them. Just stick them where I want to fix it. Make a rectangle. Okay. Cut it like that. That's my number 1. Cut it like that. Just like that. So now I have my number 1. I will apply some royal icing. Then my number 1 will be here in the center of the rainbow. Now we are making the face of the coco melon. So the face of the coco melon, we need light green. So I'm making my light green here. Yeah, coco melon face with the logo. Making coco melon face. So me, I'm good at this, so you can print it kama wewe mwenyewe unaona itakusumbua. You can print it, but me, I'm good at this. I can just make my own. Just have to know how to shape it. Let's make a coco melon face. So I need to put the eyes. So I need to mark where my eyes will lean, the nose and the mouth. So I need a black fondant. Black fondant, just small one. Cut it into 2. Just press it there. Then we press it until it forms a oval shape. Make sure it forms a oval shape. It should not be sharp. That's how you do it. Then the small nose. Then the mouth. make it. I'll make sure it's clean. So I'm going to remove it. Should be like that. Then we are pressing it here. So I come and measure where it will lie. So we measure here and here, here and here. Then we'll cut it. Then move it. And I'll replace it with this one. Making a strip. I think this one will be enough. Then I will just go around. Just make the one which is enough for you. Mine it is not completed, so I'm just joining it. To make that complete. So remember, put a white one here. It's good to follow the details. Give your cake a good details. That. Then we are making the, how do you call it? The red one. Now we are making the ladybird. Just making the ladybird here. So I need just around fondant. Around fondant. Just cut it into two. Just cut the head like that. And you'll have something like this. Then we need the black around. Cut it into two. On one side. Just like that. Apply water here. And connect the head with the red board like that. And if it's big, you can reduce it until you get the size of the good size, like that one. Yeah, like that one. Now this is the ladybird. So before you give it the details, stick it where you want it to stay. You can use for your icing. Stick the ladybird. And then a toothpick, just like that. So the ladybird, I will mold it when it is here. You can make these things zikauke kitambo, depending on the time you are having. The eyes, the dots, the black dots of the ladybird. Just make sure, just make a small one, small round, then you press it. And the last thing, we are putting the funnel on the top of the cake, just like that. And the cake is ready to go to the client. You just steam it and boom, you're good to go. So that's our cake. That's our cake. You can see the way it sits, so beautiful. So that's how you plan your work, everything. You just do without stress. So guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share the video, and so on the comment just tell us what you want us to do. I'm ready to learn to make you being the best in making cakes. Thank you for watching. Your favorite chef, Chef Derek.